How can you increase your skin's collagen naturally? You know, collagen is a protein present in your skin that keeps your skin tight and wrinkle free. What can you do at home to easily get youthful looking, wrinkle free skin? Did you know this? Yes, garlic can help you in anti-aging and in reducing your skin's wrinkles. But how to use this properly? Well, in this video, I'll share a few easy yet research-based things that you can do to protect your skin from premature aging signs and also to prevent and reduce fine lines and wrinkles by increasing the collagen in your skin. Hello and welcome to my channel Beauty Melange. So let's start. So before sharing this first very important tip, I must tell you that there is nothing wrong in having a little bit of fine lines or wrinkles here and there as you age. It is a natural process and you don't need to worry about them too much. Instead, our goal should be to age gracefully, to take proper care of our skin, to maintain a healthy skin and be happy, of course. But if you are really worried about preventing the fine lines or wrinkles or to reduce and improve the aging signs of your skin, then please follow the tips that I'm going to share in this video. These are all science-backed and well-researched tips, and I believe every one of you will get benefit from watching this video. Yes, you can definitely have great skin every day. So please watch the video very attentively till the end. Be careful about how much vitamin C you are consuming every day. Most of us are not getting the required daily amount of vitamin C from our diet. So the RDA or required dietary allowance of vitamin C is around 80 mg per day. To give you an idea, one medium-sized orange contains around 70 mg vitamin C. So even one whole orange is not providing you with the required daily amount of vitamin C. So now you have an idea that you have to eat lots of citrus fruits and vegetables every day. But why is vitamin C so important in skin collagen? Because vitamin C is a very important cofactor in collagen synthesis. In simple words, unless your body has enough vitamin C, your body will not be able to produce collagen. Simple. Even if you are using your vitamin C creams or serums, you will have to give your body enough vitamin C. Some good examples of vitamin C rich foods are amla, it's the best one, then lemons, oranges, kiwi, tomatoes, and also green vegetables. There are two amazing ingredients that you should be using if you wish to boost collagen in your skin or reduce wrinkles or fine lines. These two ingredients are very well researched by the scientists. They have been tried and tested and proven to work. These are, can you guess? Retinol and glycolic acid. Glycolic acid is an exfoliating acid, meaning it removes dead skin cells from the surface of your face, and when used regularly, it can also stimulate collagen production in your skin. Glycolic acid product should be used at night on clean, dry skin before applying your moisturizer. Retinol is vitamin A. This again, when used regularly, can magically boost collagen in your skin. But please remember, both glycolic acid and retinol, these are very strong ingredients. So please do not use both of them together. Choose and use only one at a time. Okay? Please be careful about it. Now, if you want to see my detailed videos on retinol, please click on the I button there. You will find my videos. In short, at night you have to apply a very little amount of retinol on clean, dry skin and then apply a moisturizer. Tip number 3. This one is also very important if you want to have beautiful, flawless, tight skin. If your skin's collagen is Captain America, then this one is its protecting shield. Chalo, ab guess karo, what is it? It is sunscreen. You have to protect your skin from the sun by using a sunscreen every single day, because UV rays from the sun can really damage your skin's collagen, making you wrinkle faster. Please choose a broad spectrum sunscreen from a trustworthy brand and keep using it every day. You will thank me later on when your fine lines and wrinkles, you will see they are going away. So garlic is one of the best things you can use to boost or increase collagen in your skin and in your body. Garlic is a very good source of sulfur, and sulfur is needed for production of collagen. So one thing is, you can and you should eat garlic, and also you can prepare a garlic massage oil for your body. Now for this massage oil, you can choose any oil of your preference. You can choose olive oil or coconut oil or even mustard oil. Now what you need to do is warm the oil little bit, just for 1 minute and not more than that. Add a little amount of chopped garlic into this oil, cool this whole thing and store it in a bottle. You can massage this oil on your body before taking a shower. This oil works for reducing pains, body pains, for increasing the skin's elasticity and also for improving skin dullness. You can try this massage oil. So that's it for this video. I am very confident that the tips that I shared will definitely help boost or increase the collagen in your skin, but please be patient because it takes time to work. Good things take time, as they say. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you soon with my very next video. For now, bye bye, take care, love you.